Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to live stream on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone, the Instagram application and account, so we can now bring the iPhone into the frame. Navigate to Instagram, click on the Instagram application, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile and then go to home, swipe to the right to live stream now on Instagram. Go to create and then live on Instagram will notify some of your followers so that they don't miss out. Click on live. They are checking the connection. You're live now. They are telling the followers that I have started a live. Depending on your numbers, you may have 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 followers. Those followers will then join the live, are then able to comment, ask questions, interact with you. Let's end the live now. Are you sure you want to end your live video? And now we can share to story or delete the video. For the moment, I'll just share to story, so we then have the live video for the followers to see. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.